Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can mark a package as not received in Amazon. So once you have simply gone through your orders and basically bought something, you will receive your package. This is what normally will happen. So sometimes you will not receive the package and it will be assigned to you as as was received in your order section. So how to solve that? So first of all, you need to confirm your shipping address in your orders before you contact the support team or anything. Just make sure that your support, or basically just to make sure that your address is real and you have not made any wrong address or something like that. Just to make sure of that it wasn't your fault. Second thing is to search for a notice of delivery attempt. Select the message center, search for delivery confirmation, and check your email box or simply for delivery photo. Once these are real, then check around the delivery location. For example, check the instructions in your address and the package that could have been left where you requested. The same thing you need to do with your neighbors. Maybe you weren't home and the package was left beside your doorsteps and your neighbors took it in, maybe to keep it safe, or somebody in your house has taken in and put it somewhere. So ask your household members and neighbors. Wait 48 hours for the package to be delivered. Packages may be scanned as delivered before arrival, so there will be a 48 hours delay even though they are scanned as delivered. And then you can check with the courier. So the courier may have more information about the location of the package. To track your package on the courier website or contact them, go to courier contact information. Once everything didn't help out, then the last thing to do is to contact Amazon support team to help you out. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next upcoming video.